Plug the product into the car USB port. Turn on your mobile phone hotspot before connecting. Search for the product's Bluetooth signal and connect via Bluetooth on your phone. Choose Use CarPlay. Click on the Wi-Fi icon in the upper right corner of your car screen. Search for the product's Wi-Fi signal and input the original password. After the Wi-Fi connection is successful, be sure to tick the Remind Connected in Drive. Go to the browser page of the car screen and enter the URL in the address bar to access wireless CarPlay.